I'll stay here and guard this area.
Oh, creeps!
I have a bad feeling about this.
Continue, shit!
That's one less horror in the world.
Right!
With friends like you, man.
Ass! Freeman!
Got one! End of the line for you. Haha, got another one.
Gordon Freeman in the flesh. Or rather, in the hazard suit. I took the liberty of relieving you of your weapons. Most of them were government property. As for the suit, I think you've earned it.
I wish it hadn't come to this. Hey, what did I ever do to you?
Well, it looks like we won't be working together.
Didn't you already ask me that?
Well, it looks like we won't be working together.
That'll look nice in my trophy room.
Casualties! Chicken! Continue!
You think there's a cold beer for us at the end of all this?
We have shit in your ass!
Hey, step off, buddy.
Hell, you are shit!
I'll stay here.
No!
Yes, okay.
I will shit the guard!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes!
No!
Shit a bastard!
I refuse to go another step. No!
Shit! Bastard! Go! Shit! Sorry!
Sorry, I'm on duty, Mr. Freeman.